everyone, I welcome you back to Global Education Zone, and in this video we are going to be doing a revision episode of the past episode we've been doing. So I'll be solving two questions as a form of revision. So the first one I'll be solving will be on error and approximations, and the second one I'll be solving will be on circle theorems and geometry. So let's work on that. So now the first question I'll be solving will be the question on the length of a wall is given as 20 meters to one significant figure. Then we're asked to calculate the possible percentage error in this measurement. So now we are given the length of a wall as 20 meters to one significant figure, right? So we're looking for the percentage error. Now, if you are looking for the length of a wall, which is 20 meters, if we are looking for the percentage, we are looking for the error, we have to look for the how wide can the error be. So now they said to one significant figure. This is one significant figure. So to one significant figure, that will be 5. So the error will be 5 meters. So the error is always calculated based on the digits. It will give a digit of 5 to the figure, the place value that is before that significant figure. So we have this. If the significant figure is here, so we'll base our digit here. And even if they set to the nearest whole number, that would be 0.5. But since they set to the nearest one significant figure, then we are going to give our 5 a value of the value of that place value that is before the significant figures. So that's our error will be 5 meters, and then we're asked to look for the percentage error. So our percentage error will what? Our percentage error is error divided by percentage error is error divided by true value. That's 20 times 100%. So let's 5 in 5 is 1, 5 in 20 is 4. 4 in 4 is 1, 4 in 10 is 2, 25. So our error is 25%. That was our percentage error. So that is how it's done. Then next, let's look for the second question in this episode. We'll be dealing with this circle. In this circle, we are given a circle is drawn. A circle like this is drawn. A circle like this is drawn. Then we'll have something like this. Then we'll have this is drawn to meet this one. Okay. Then this is giving us this. Then this will draw a straight line and then draw Z. Then you have A. Then you have Y. Then you have this as 46 degrees. Then you have this as 32 degrees. Then you have this as P. You have this as B. You have this as Y. Now we have this. This is the center of the circle. So as such, the score that passes through the center will be a diameter. Now we are asked to in this question we are asked to look for the value of this angle, of angle A, B. Yes, we have to look for the value of angle YZ, angle BYZ. We have to look for the value of this angle BYZ, and then we also have to look for the value of angle ABY. So we're looking for angle ABY and angle BYZ. Now, what we're going to do, let's first of all look for angle ABY. Now we are going to use the knowledge that the angle in a semicircle is a right angle. So that means this angle AYB will be what? AYB will be equals to 90. Equals 90 degrees. So that means this will be a right angle here. And then looking at this triangle AYB, you can see that we have 3 angles and one is unknown. So we just equate to 120 to 180. So that means angle A, which is 46, plus angle Y, which is 90 degrees, plus angle B, which we are looking for, angle AYB. They will all add up to 180 degrees. So 46 plus 90 is what? 136 degrees equals 136 degrees plus AYB equals 180. Now AYB equals 180 minus 136. So that means AYB is equals to 180 minus 136, which is 44 degrees. So we've gotten this as 44 degrees. So that is how it's done. Then next we have to look for this angle. Now this is a simple, very very simple question, because one time you have angles like this that are subtended by the same segment, sorry, by the same chord. Look at this angle YAB and angle YZB. They are both subtended at the base by this chord YB. So that means this angle YAB and angle YZB, they are both in the same segment. And from one theorem, we say that the angles in the same segment of a circle, they are equal. So that means this angle 46 will be equal to this angle 46. So this will also be 46 degrees. So that means angle YZB will be equal to 46 degrees. So that is how it's done. And so far we have been able to do these two questions as revision for the past episode. So now we're going to be moving to the next episode, and see you there.